Would your system still make money, meaning your strategy, system, strategy, would it still make money if you had to size down to 1 micro? Would your system still make money if you had to size down? Your strategy still works, right? That's really what we're focusing on. Of course, if we size down, we ain't making as much. Absolutely, that's definitely the case. But the thing is, as long as your strategy still works, that's cool. Would make my base hit. There you go. That's what's up, Serena. Exactly. Get that base hit you good, right? So the good thing is for everyone that answered yes, and for the ones that yes applies to your strat, your system, if you can size down 50% today and your strategy will still work, you got a good strategy. You know what I mean? You have a good strategy. That's a good thing. That's a really, really good thing. If you have to size down and your strategy doesn't work, then I would say you need to take a look back at your strategy. Because just because you size down, your strategy should still work. And just always remember, smaller size is, we have clear thoughts when we have smaller size, right? What makes us have clear thoughts is because this number right here ain't gonna be so big, right? This number right here, it ain't gonna be big. You know what I'm saying? If we go in drawdown. So it makes it, it's different if this was showing 600, it makes it somewhat intense for the ones that still haven't been able to turn off emotions. It can do that. So smaller size, clearer thinking. You know what I mean? Even for me, whether I'm profitable or not, just by me having a smaller size, I know one thing. Well, if this does hit my stop loss and it goes against me and I'm not profitable on this trade, at least I haven't taken a big hit in my accounts, right? Because my accounts are already right at about 3 bands, which I'm over the threshold. So I'm right where I really, really, truly need to be. So my accounts could take a couple of licks and I can still get to my payout. I'm not messing up my payout and I'm not messing up my accounts. That's the other part of what allowing us to think clear, right? Because if you guys were in my shoes right now and you have my set of circumstances, you would feel the same way. You'd be like, I'm good. I'm up. I'm in this trade on 1 micro. No big deal. It hits. It don't. But at least my accounts are still good and I'm still eligible to take that payout. And that's the thing, right? It's strategy and everything. It's not just strategy into entering trades, also strategy on how we use these, how we go about, using the prop firms that we use, because they have rules and you have to make strategies based around the rules. That's how you win. That's why it's very imperative to know the rules of all the prop firms that you're going to, purchase accounts with. Learn the rules and then figure out how your strategy could work in there. And then when you look at their payout, like the rules on their payouts, then you want to make sure you're implementing you're implementing a strategy that's gonna make sense. Like I said, it doesn't make any sense for me to run it up when I'm only can take out $1,000 max on my payouts. That part doesn't bother me. It's just the fact of knowing why run it up? Why have 3, 4, more than $3,000 over the buffer? Why? That doesn't really make any sense because you can't take it all out, right? So you get yourself just kind of just above where, so when you do take a payout, your account is not gonna be in no crazy drawdown if you, after you take your payout and you happen to have a trade that goes against you, your account can still take that blow. Once again, it's protecting your accounts, protecting your capital. It's all a part of that. Now, if you had some rules on your payouts where your max was $3 grand per payout, then of course you would want to run it up a little bit more if you could, if you're trying to get that max payout. But let's be honest, on $1,000 max payout, that's really not a lot of money. So that's something that was very doable. That's why I went with the account, because I was like, you know what? After I read the rules, I was like, you know what? I can make this work. I really, really can make this work because it's doable. It's nothing crazy. The rules ain't far-fetched. Nothing like that. So with that said, there it is. Yeah, so look like, I don't know, look like this one probably gonna go against us. It is what it is. I ain't sweating it. I'm not sweating it at all. That's what it looks like. What I'm looking at, I'm seeing this price hit this reversal zone and it reversed, and it's pretty much kind of doing a little bit of ranging right now. But we'll see, because I can't predict the future. I just said what it looked like. So we'll jump back to question of the day. And so once again, if you had the size down about 50% and your strategy would still work, you know what I mean? You're good. Your strategy is good. That's what's important. That's what's important.